to match up audio. I don't have a mic plugged in right now, so apologies if it's a little bit subpar on the audio. I'm still trying to figure out how to get that stuff worked, but I fucking kind of hate this hill. But yeah, so just cruising gravel roads today. I want to test the new camera out, see how the quality looks. It should be 1080p 30 frames a second right now, somewhere around there. So it's not as high as this camera can supposedly do. This camera allegedly does about 4K 30 FPS, somewhere around there. It can do 1080, 60, and all that. But I haven't really tested it, except for right now I'm testing it. So I won't even know if I can make a video out of this until I get home. Also hoping that camera's actually on, because if it's not, it's going to be pretty awkward. I'm pretty sure it is. I think I've had it on since I left my house. Check while I'm here. It's kind of weird because this one doesn't blink from the front, so I have to say probably, yeah, it's going. And also the light's blue instead of red, so it's kind of weird. It's kind of difficult to get on this gripper seat sometimes. Thing is really grippy, and I'll be doing a video about that soon because I love this seat, and it was really cheap, and I think everybody that owns a 250L could definitely get one, 100%. So now you're not going to be able to hear me after this point. I might be talking, but it'll definitely be futile. I just want to see how this camera holds up on the highway.